Hello, hello, Facebook family and friends. Let me turn the camera around. How are you guys doing this afternoon? It is your girl, Alliston, here still in Vegas, enjoying my vacation. I absolutely love the Grand Canyon. So far, that has been my highlight. I wanted to jump on here and give you guys a room tour. We have just checked into our second resort for our stay. We did 2 days at the Luxor, and then we're going to do 2 days at Harrah's Casino Resort. I've never been here. This is my first time here. I wanted to give you guys a tour of the executive suite that me and my honey are staying in. It is awesome. It is fabulous. I love it. I got a great deal. And yes, just wanted to give you guys a tour of where we're staying because this room is phenomenal. Let me turn the camera around. So this is the hallway. We are in the Mardi Gras Tower. Okay, this is an upgraded tower here. This is more of the upgraded rooms here in this tower. This is our hallway. We got lucky. Our room is here. We are right next to the elevators, as you guys can see. So I am going to walk into the room, show you what our room looks like. Hey, cousin. So again, we got an executive suite at an awesome deal. Okay, this is the front room here. We've got some mirrors here along the wall. We have got, this is a sofa bed. This is actually a pull-out sofa bed. We've got a lamp. The decor is pretty awesome. We've got a chair. So this is the living room area. We've got our wet bar here. Okay, coffee machine, coffee maker. That's a DVD player. One TV. There's 3 TVs in this suite, you guys. 3 TVs. Okay. We've got a TV here. Got the nice little art on the wall there. Okay, so this is the living room area of the suite that we're in at Harrah's. Again, this is my first time here. I am loving all of this. This room is awesome. This is the view that I have of the Strip. Okay, so we've got Caesars right there, the Link, Cosmopolitan way over there, Planet Hollywood. There's Rio in the back there. That's the Harrah's emblem right here in front of us here. We've got the Mirage there. Hey, cousin. And then we've got Treasure Island, like way over there, if you can see it. Yes, so this is the view from our window. And then I'm going to show you guys our room. That's my honey bun. He says hello. But we've got a chair here. He's in the way here. Big, huge, king-size bed. I love the decor of this room. It's awesome. Big, huge, queen-size bed there. The second TV, drawer space, all that good stuff. So we've got plenty of space to put our things, unpack, put things away. We've got a little sitting area here, like a vanity table is what I would call it. Okay, where I can kind of sit here, do my makeup, although I really don't wear too much makeup, you guys, at all. But we've got, yes, it's a very nice view, cousin. We've got a vanity table here. We have our own jacuzzi tub, you guys, okay? And yes, we will be using this tub. We are going to be taking advantage of this tub, okay? This jacuzzi tub won't go to waste, y'all. We've got our jacuzzi tub here. Bathroom area. Okay, look at this, you guys. This is freaking awesome. It's a TV. Do you see that? It's a TV in the mirror. Okay, this is the 3rd TV in this suite. It's a TV in the freaking mirror, you guys. Okay? We've got our sink area here. I don't think that's storage space there. It's just probably decoration. We have a storage closet. Look, a storage closet, you guys, if we want to hang things up. So not only do we have all the drawer space, we've got this separate closet here, iron board, good stuff there. Hey, Tanya. Thanks for hopping on, sweetie. So we've got plenty of room to put things. Then we have just a separate room, toilet area. Look, there's a phone by the toilet, right? We've got a phone by the toilet, okay? Stand-up shower. This shower is freaking awesome. This room is just huge here where the toilet and the stand-up shower are. There we go. It's focusing now. So we've got our stand-up shower. Okay. Yeah, this is just awesome. I am loving this suite. I got an awesome deal on this suite. We've got painting on the wall there, just to kind of show you how big this this toilet room is here. I mean, there is a lot of space in this room, okay? So I'm gonna walk back out, go all the way around. We've got our sink area here. Again, the TV and the mirror, I can't get over that, right? TV and the freaking mirror. Jacuzzi tub, which is going to go to use. We are using that, okay? Nightstand. Big, huge bed in our executive suite. This is a king-size bed. Vanity area. Look in the, your liners are in that front pocket in the suitcase, wrapped up in your sweatpants. But yes, we've got vanity area, a second TV, nice comfy chair in the corner here, more drawer space. And again, this is the executive suite at Harrah's Casino Resort. This is just another window that's in our room of what we're looking at on the strip here. You guys, this suite, right? Let's talk travel agent discounts, travel agent perks, okay? I am a travel business owner. As you guys know, I've been doing this for 8 months now. This suite is advertised currently on Priceline for over $500 for 2 nights, because we'll be here for 2 nights. This suite is advertised at over $500. Guess what I paid for 2 nights at in this suite at this resort? I paid $243, you guys. $243 because I own my own travel business. Okay? $243. You can't get savings like that unless you own a travel agency. Okay? This business has been a godsend. You know, not only did I get a discount on this suite, I also got a deal on the Grand Canyon tour that we did yesterday. I'm just trying to show you guys how big this room is. We got a deal on the Grand Canyon tour. I saved over $200 on the Grand Canyon tour that me and my fiance took yesterday. We're doing a dune buggy excursion tomorrow. The original price for 2 people is $445. I paid $110 because I own my own travel business. Okay? We got a free show. We got 2 tickets to a free Vegas show that we actually didn't get to see yesterday because we literally were at the Grand Canyon all day. So we didn't get a chance to do the free Vegas show, but we are going to go and see David Copperfield. That's the only thing I didn't get a deal on. We had to pay full price for that, but we're going to see David Copperfield tonight. There's something I'm missing. It was the Vegas show, the discount I got for the room here, and then the dune buggy excursion. Okay? Great savings, awesome savings. So I am so sorry about that, you guys. I am still trying to get this down with these lives. Forgive me. Sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, I've received some awesome savings thus far. Being here in Vegas, this is honestly the most money I've ever saved on a vacation, okay? So we're enjoying ourselves. I wanted to show you guys what this suite looked like. If you ever want to room or book here at this casino, I would highly recommend it. This is my first time here. We actually have a butler. We have concierge service. I had a guy text me and say, hey, look, I'm your personal butler. Text me, call me, let me know if you need anything. So I don't even have to leave my room if I don't have to. When we get here late at night, we get hungry, we've got a butler that'll literally come to our door, bring us our food, more towel, whatever we need. Anything extra we need. I need toothpaste, so I'm going to have that guy go and hunt me down some toothpaste because we ran out of our toothpaste this morning. So that's what I'm going to have my butler go and get for me. So this is awesome. I'm excited about this room. I've never stayed in a suite ever. We don't usually vacation like this. When we vacation, we just get like standard size rooms, you guys. We don't go all out and spend extra money for like a suite. So this is a first for us. We're loving it, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed that tour. If you have any questions at all about owning your own travel agency, if you want to save money on the travel that you're already doing anyways, guys, okay? Who doesn't want to save money on their vacation? I know I do. So if you want more info, hit me up, inbox me, message below.